Hello, in this video, we're gonna go through version 19. How do we import or map the chart of accounts in a simple 5 steps? So first, you want to get your database to get the external ID of chart of accounts. So here's one of the version 19 database with one of the company. And then you go into the accounting app, you'll realize that it's empty. Then you go to settings, make sure you install localization here. And it will be a couple seconds loading. Now you will have a list of chart of accounts, 119. You can just click on the checkbox on the top. 80, it's okay, you don't need all of them. You can click on export, make sure you choose to update the data. Now you get this Excel file where you realize it's account.4, and that's all you need to know. And let's simply close it. Now, our next step is open this Excel sheet, download to your local environment, which I already have. And on top of that, I even converted to my CSV file. So what I care is these account external ID as well as my active. Now, what you realize was in my previous Excel, the one I export from Odoo, it says account.4. 1 second. Yeah, it says account.4. So when we open up the US file, you want to make sure you do a replace for account 6.6 to account.4. And that's all you need. Then it's okay. Now, once you see that, another thing is these are all good. You just wanted to avoid these kind of scenario. If there's a 1123, this kind of number, you wanted to just delete it because during the import and mapping, it will be a problem. Now, let's click on save it again. So we have this file. Going back to your database here, chart of accounts, imports. So what does this import do? We're not really importing more accounts. We are trying to archive the accounts because right now, if you click on inactive, there's none inactive. But not all these 100 accounts are relevant for Odoo particular use. So we need to use this import file to archive those not so useful accounts that we don't really need it. That's what this import is for. So you don't really need this column. The reason those columns are there is just to show us what's the code and information. That's all. Now everything's good. When you click on import, you'll realize that now if you go to chart of accounts, you only see 39 rather than 119. If you go to inactive, you will see that there's 80 of them. If you want, you can simply delete them all. And now you only have 39 accounts. If you group by account type, let's say bank and cash, Odoo give you only one. In reality, you might have one bank or multiple bank accounts or credit card. That's when you can massively import all at once. As long as you look at this template, give me the name, the code, the name, and the type, which is matching with this list. For example, if you say liability, that will be wrong because the liability here is with S. And you would show that if it's allowed reconciliation or not. This part, work with your partner or analyst or consultant. With this, you can simply import all with to your database. Thank you.